So in this video, we are talking about simplifying fractions. So I've written a little point that you have to take note of before we move to the actual detail. So we have to know that a value of a fraction is unaltered if numerator and denominator are multiplied or divided by the same number, right? And a fraction can be simplified by multiplying or dividing top and bottom by a factor which is common to both, right? And when simplifying fractions, get rid of any fractions in the denominator or numerator first, then factorize the numerator and denominator, and then we look for common factors. So we have an example which says simplify 2a squared minus 2ab over 6ab minus 6b squared, right? So we have to make sure that we factorize this expression first, and then we find common factors like I've said before in the last statement, right? So we write 2a squared minus 2ab over 6ab minus 6b squared. So what's the common factor on the top there? It's 2a, right? 2a into 2a squared, what do you get? A. 2a into negative 2ab, what do you get? Is negative b. Then we move to the bottom. What's the factor here? It's 6b, right? 6b into 6ab, we get a, and 6b into minus 6b squared, what do we get? Get negative b, right? And we can see that a minus b times a minus b can cancel each other, and you can say 2 into 2, 1, and 2 into 6 is 3. So what do we get? We get a over 3b is our answer. So we have simplified this expression into this, right? So let's move to the next one. The next one says simplify half x squared minus 2 over half 4y squared plus 3. So what do we say here? We say that we first remove any fractions in the expression. So how do we remove any fractions? We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4, right? We say that if we multiply, the value of fraction is unaltered if we multiply the numerator or divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number, right? So in this case, you have multiplied both the numerator and the denominator with the same number, so we didn't change any value. So if we multiply 4 times half x squared, we get what? We get 2x squared, right? And 4 times minus 2, what we get? We get negative 8, right? Over 4 times 1/4 y squared, what we get? We get y squared. 4 times 3, what we get? We get 12. So you may ask, why do we multiply with 4? So we can see that you have half and 1/4, and the number which we might use to eliminate both the half and the quarter is 4, because 2 and 4 are common factors of 4, right? So now we are left with this expression, right? So we have simplified it, because if you see here, we might say there are not really any common factors between these two expressions, but we have simplified it by removing the fractions, so we can leave it in this way, right? So let's move on to the next one, which says simplify x minus 4, x minus 3 over x squared minus 16, right? Let me see, right? So we write x minus 4 times x minus 3 over x squared minus 16, and if we expand x squared minus 16, it's a difference of 2 squares. So what do we get? We get x plus 4 times x minus 4. So that's what the same as x squared minus 16. So you can see now that you have factors. X minus 4 can cancel x minus 4, and then our result will be x minus 3 over x plus 4. So this will be our answer, right? And we move on to the next. We say simplify x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x squared, 3x squared plus 12x plus 9. So in this one, you have to factorize the quadratic expressions in the numerator and the denominator. So x squared plus 2x plus 1, right? So if you multiply here, what we get x squared. Two numbers, which when we multiply them, we get x squared. when you add them, get 2x. These are x and x. So it's x squared plus x plus x plus 1, right? So common factor, it's x. X into x squared, it's x. X into x, 1 plus common factor, 1. 1 into x, x. 1 into 1 is 1. So what we get, x plus 1 times x plus 1. Right, so this one can be x plus 1 times x plus 1 over, so let's factorize this one, 3x squared plus of x plus 9. If we multiply this, what we get, 27x squared, right? In two numbers, 9x and 3x, right? When we add this, we get of x. When we multiply this, we get 27x. So it becomes 3x squared plus 9x plus 3x, right? Plus 9. So 3 is the factor here. 3x is the factor here. 3x into 3x squared, we get x. 3x into 9x, we get positive 3. One factor here is 3. 3 and get x. 3 into 9, we get what? We get positive 3, right? And we say x plus 3 times 3x plus 3, right? And you can also factor out 3 here, and we get what? 3 times 3 into 3x is x. 3 into 3 is 1 times x plus 3. So this is the same as 3 times x plus 1 times x plus what? X plus 3. So these ones can cancel each other, x plus 1 and x plus 1. And our final answer will be x plus 1 over 3 times x plus 3. You see? So this is how you simplify two quadratic expressions on the numerator and the denominator. You factorize them first. And I leave you with these practice questions. You can pause the video and you can do this on your spare time following the methods we're using above. Cheers. See you in the next video.